Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn English with USV. Today we are going to learn about report writing. So let us start. Report writing. So what is the meaning of report writing? Meaning, a report is a presentation of facts and findings usually as a basis for a recommendation written for a specific readership and probably intended to be kept as a record. It is purely based on observation and analysis. A report gives an explanation of any circumstances. A report discusses a particular problem in detail. Now, what is the content for the report? Reports are required for judging the performance of various departments in an organization. A good report is always fact-finding and not a fault-finding. It should be prepared in an impartial manner. The writer of the report should be impartial in their look and approach. Now, what are the advantages of report writing? Advantages are solves the current problem, update with the information, discloses unknown information, internal communication, decision making and planning, and reliable permanent information. Now, steps for report writing. 5 steps are suggested to write a report. First step is to investigate the source of information. It is done right in the beginning. Major sources of information are company file, then personal observation, interviews, letter, questionnaire, and library researches. These all are the factors that are needed for investigating a source of information. Now, taking notes. Second step is to take notes. During the investigation phase, the writer keeps on taking notes of anything that appears to be related to the subject. Then third is analyzing the data. After taking note, the data is analyzed. And in fourth step, making an outline. In this stage, the problem is stated, the facts are recorded, they are briefly analyzed, and logical conclusion is arrived at. And fifth is writing the report. The last stage is that of writing the report. It will need constant settling between the outline and the notes. So, format for the short report: first title, second introduction, third discussion, fourth summary and conclusion, fifth recommendation, and sixth appendix. Format of a magazine report. So, heading, that is a descriptive title that is expressive of the content of the report. Then second one is byline, name of the person written in the report. It is generally given in the question. Remember, you are not supposed to write any personal detail in your answer to any question. The opening paragraph is the third step for writing a magazine report. Opening paragraph is also known as introduction. It may include the 5 Whys, namely what, 5 Ws, name, what, why, when, and where, along with who was invited as the chief guest. Now, fourth step for writing the magazine report is the account of the event in detail, the proper sequence of the event that occurred along with their description. It is in the main paragraph and can be split into the 2 paragraphs if required. Conclusion. This will include a descriptive how the event was ended, and you can even write some lines of the speech that were given by chief guest. Now, what is the format for newspaper report? Newspaper report. Headline, a descriptive title that is expressive of the content of the report. Second, byline, name of the person written in the report along with the destination that is generally given in the question. Remember, you are not supposed to mention any personal detail in your answer. Third one is place and date of writing. Place and date of reporting is generally not mentioned in the magazine report separately, but here it is. And then after opening paragraph, it includes the expansion of the headline. It needs to be short as it is general overview of the report. The account of the event in detail. It is generally written into 2 parts. First, complete account of what happened in the chronological sequence, preferably, and second, the witness remarks. And another step is concluding paragraph. This is the last step for writing the newspaper report. This will include the action that has been taken so far or that will be taken. It is the last paragraph. Now, I would request all of you just to pause the video. Just pause the video and take out your pencil, pen or a paper. Just take it out fast and pause the video. After taking out your pencil and paper or a pen or a paper, just write with me and pause the video, write with me, and if possible I am dictating. Okay, so for example, a question is given and report we had to write. So what is the question over here? You recently attended an asthma care camp organized by Sanjay Gandhi Memorial Hospital, Mangalapuri, to celebrate World Asthma Day. Write a report on the same in about 100 to 125 words for your school magazine report. So this is a school magazine report. And what is your name over here? You are the Rajat Rawal, and it is a president. He is the president of the health club. Okay, so how will you write? First of all, you must write the subject, and all the letters should be capital. So here what is written? World Asthma Day celebrated. Then after, Sanjay Gandhi Memorial Hospital, Mangalapuri celebrated World Asthma Day on May 3 with an asthma care camp from 9 AM to 3 PM. A team of 30 students from different schools of Delhi was invited to help as volunteers. Around 150 patients were screened for asthma and other chest-related diseases. 50 patients were offered free spermatic tests. All patients were given free samples of the drugs and IEC material as well. Besides this, they received health education on visual aids, MMP, and interactive discussion by the experts. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. D.K. Begoriata. So here a chief guest or a guest is speaking something, so we can write a 1 or 2 line about what he has speaked. Dr. D.K. Begoriata, the CMO, informed that increasing pollution was the main cause of allergy respiratory disorder, especially among the children. The camp provided a useful insight on chest-related issue to all. And who are you? You are Rajat Rawal, President, and then after Health Club. Thank you. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated with my upcoming videos. And if you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to like and share my videos. Like and subscribe to my channel.